Hello. Hello. You can see these birds. These birds are 4 weeks and 4 days. Next Tuesday, we make them 5 weeks. On that next Tuesday, I'm going to weigh each and every one of them. At least I will pick sample of 20 or 40 of them or 50, thereabout. Weigh them one after the other. And I'm going to present the complete video for you here. You can see them. If you're not seeing them well, let me raise them up. Let me raise them up. These are 4 weeks and 4 days. I see it. 4 weeks and 4 days. 4 weeks and 4 days broiler. These broilers are weighing almost 2 kg each. They are weighing 2 kg each. Are you seeing it? 4 weeks and 4 days. 4 weeks and 4 days. You can see them. Now, this is what I used. Are you seeing it? Eco Bio Boost. This is liquid form. You can see it. This is the liquid form. This is 5 liters. Now, I use this particular one and I mix it with their water on daily basis. This is what they drink. Take little quantity in syringe. 10 ml to 10 liters of water for each and every one of them on daily basis. Now, this is what I mix with their feed. This is Eco Bio Boost. This is the, you can see it. This is 100 gram. We have it in 100 gram and have it in 1 kg also. I have this in 5 liters. This is 5 liters and I have it in 1 liter also. This particular one is mixed with their feed on daily basis. Every food they eat, I must mix this. The work of this is to balance the feed. Now, how do you achieve this good result? See it. This is, you can see the meat. You can see the meat alone. You are seeing the meat here, right? Are you seeing the meat? This is the meat. You can see the leg. This is only meat alone. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This is only meat. 4 weeks and 4 days. Tuesday we make them 5 weeks. On that Tuesday, I'm going to weigh at least 50 of them so that let's get the average weight of each of them. As of now, they are weighing 2 kg, 1.9 kg at 4 weeks. Now, let me tell you one thing. You need to raise healthy broilers. Get best breed, good breed of broiler. Use no waste feeders. Make sure they eat all the feed. These chickens have only eaten 2,500 grams. That's what they are eating. 2,500 grams. That's what they are eating to get this weight for you. I'm telling you the truth. They have eaten only 2,500 grams of feed. That is 2.5 kg. And they are giving me almost 2 kg meat. At 5 weeks, I'll get nothing less than 2.5 kg. Something like that. You can see that they are easily converting the feed because of this natural organic substance I'm using. There's no thing like synthetic. Using antibiotics on poultry, birds, and livestock animals is not always advisable because you consider yourself. If they say this man is on drug or this woman is on drug, you know what it means is that you're taking chemicals on daily basis. Then if you see smokers, you know, if you see people that are under drug addicts, you're using synthetic drugs to take care of your bears from day one till maturity. What it means is that these particular bears they are drug addicts. I don't think they can live healthy. You can't get the maximum weight. If you are under alcoholic drink, because remember that these are chemicals, they are taking chemicals on daily basis. That's what it means. You raise healthy chickens, healthy birds. Use no waste feeder. And make sure you keep your broilers in groups. Let them be in groups, set by set. Like this one's now, this set are about 500 in set. I'll pick 10% of them or 5% of them and weigh them. You see the results we're going to get. Now, you avoid hot spots. Make sure they are always in a cool environment. Give them clean water 24/7. And make sure you use natural growth promoter. This is natural growth promoter. my company produced this and we don't adulterate it. It is completely sealed and we don't place it on market so that it will not be adulterated. We will build it from our factory to your own farm so that direct from us to you as the user. And this is what we are using to produce our own chickens. We don't use any synthetic here. So you keep adequate biosecurity. That's the only way you can get this. Let me repeat it myself. Raise healthy birds. Use good breed. Use no waste feeder. Make sure that they eat all the feed so that it's not a feeder that when they pick one, 10 will fall on the floor and they will miss it with the floor. That one is gone. They are not going to account for those ones on the floor. Now, keep broilers in groups. This set is this group. This set is this group. This set according to their age. Now, you ensure that broiler eats well. Use light for them at night. Then avoid hot spots so that stress can make them not to eat properly well. Use natural promoters. Growth promoter. This is a natural growth promoter. Then keep adequate biosecurity. You get a better result than us here. Thank you. Share this video to reach more farmers. Let's meet on Tuesday by God's grace. I'm going to weigh them live. You're going to see it as I'm weighing them on the scale. You see what result. This is the same chicken. I weighed them when they were 2 weeks and they were giving me 900 grams in 2 weeks. But now they are giving me almost 2 kg. But I didn't show you the weight. But on that Tuesday, I'm going to show you as we are weighing it. If possible, I can even go live so that it will be well. If I have good network, I will go live on that day so that you will see it by yourself. For now, I will tell you to share this video to reach more farmers. This is only 2 things we use. See them here. It's unfortunate the camera may turn it upside down, but it's Eco Bio Boost Feed Booster. This is Eco Bio Boost Animal Booster. This is liquid. This is organic. This is in powder form. This is organic. This is mixed with their feed. This is mixed with their water. Thank you. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Please don't go far. Share this video, like it, subscribe if you are not subscribed to this particular channel, and be a member of this channel by clicking the membership. Register with us and you'll be part of us. We guide you on how to run your agri business profitably. You will not be making mistakes. We correct you in some of your mistakes. You call us at any time you like and we guide you. This is little token you pay on monthly basis. That is not even up to 2 grams of feed that you waste. For now, I say bye-bye.